This is the step-by-step guide how you can order something from the US to Nigeria, or how you can order any of the iPhone 17 series from US to Nigeria, because I'm still getting comments and DMs that some of you did not understand what I said in the first video and the second video, and some people even telling me to do tutorial about what. How much do you think I'm earning? So here is the step-by-step guide. I'm going to explain everything in two different ways. So first of all, the easier one and then the other one, and the ups and downs to both. So you want to listen very carefully. But first, I want you to know that if you are getting your iPhone from the US, the iPhone in the US region are eSIMs only. So if you want iPhone that you can use physical SIM on, you have to order from other region like the UK, China, or something like that. At this point, you guys are just making me make free promotional content for these companies. But let's just get into it. The first step is using company like ShareShopShip. They only ship what they shop for, which means if you want to buy something, you can either go to their website, their Instagram page, or chat them on WhatsApp. Tell them you want to buy the iPhone 17, and then they will give you an estimate, like this price list they gave me when I make an inquiry for you guys. So this is the price you are going to pay if they are helping you to get any of the iPhone 17 series. You can see the prices like here. So this way you are not going to shop for anything, you are not going to do anything. You just tell them what you want, they will give you the estimate total for the product and shipping. Then you can pay them in any payment form they are allowed. I think you can pay them in Naira and then USD. They will shop for the stuff, ship it, and send it to you doorstep delivery. I think mostly they ship new stuff, but you just have to tell them this is what I want. They will shop for it, they will ship it to you. You just have to pay them the estimate they give you. This one is the easiest one. Then let's go to the second one, which is a little bit harder because you do most of the work. You just collect the address and they ship it to you. Here is how this one works. You can use company like Fly My More, and I see some people recommending GIGO in the last video, so you might also want to try them out. But please, I'm not recommending anybody. They are not paying me for this. Make sure you do your own research about this company and use the one that has more better review. This one, they operate in two ways. First one is that they can give you US shipping address, which means if you buy something on international website like Amazon, eBay, Best Buy, you can put this address there. Amazon will send your product to this address, which is Fly My More warehouse, and they will now ship it down to Nigeria, then ship it to you, which means you pay for what you are buying on Amazon, you just pay Fly My More or GIGO for their shipping service. But here, Apple does not ship to shipping companies directly. They might probably cancel your order. The easiest way is that you might tell Fly My More that you are buying an iPhone, then they might try to get it for you and ship it, but I don't think they offer that kind of service. Or you find someone in the US that will buy the iPhone, then send it to Fly My More's warehouse. Fly My More will now send it down to Nigeria for you. Just know you already pay for the iPhone, then you also pay Fly My More for their own service, which whatever estimate they give you. And also they also shop for you, which means if you want to buy something, you copy the link of that thing. Maybe you want to buy something on Amazon or eBay. I've tried it with eBay before. You find what you want to buy on eBay yourself, you find that thing yourself, you already know the price, you now copy the link, go to Fly My More's website. There is a section where shop for me. You paste the link of what you want to buy, and after a few hours, or I think the second day, they will send an estimate to you, which includes the amount you are going to pay for that product plus their own shipping services. They will give you the estimate on everything, then you pay them, they will buy that product, then ship it to you, and you get your product. So that is the two way this one operates. But the upside to Fly My More or GIGO is that you save money by doing it this way, because you buy the product yourself, you just have to pay them for their services. That's why you have to do the extra work yourself. But for something like ShareShopShip that they only ship what they shop for themselves, you just pay them in Naira. They will collect the money for the product you want to buy and the money for their own service. I think after this video, nobody should be asking me I should explain or do tutorial for them on how to shop from the US to Nigeria again. And let me also just put this here. I don't have anything against phone vendor. I have my own personal phone vendor that I buy something from, my iPhones and all that stuff, and we are good friends. It's just that some of you are just so greedy and you try to take advantage of people's ignorance about stuff. Nobody wants to wait 2 weeks to get his phone. I want to go inside the store and just buy my phone and just take it home. This is the best I can explain. Anything else you need, go to Fly My More DM or go to ShareShopShip DM. I'm not their sales rep. They have who they are paying to explain all these things for you. My name is Ridwan and I talk tech.